Alright, I don't know what to say now that you hit record. Okay. If you're looking at getting a God, I wanted to keep it simple. Alright, what's up YouTube? Today I'm putting a truck bed cover on, or a tonneau cover. I got a soft one from realtruck.com. It's the Gator SFX Tri-Fold. I'm gonna do an unboxing next so y'all can see how this thing looks. And then we'll get it put on, and I'll give y'all my initial impressions, I guess, of just how long it took to put it on, how long it could take to take it off if you wanted to, and whatever. We'll get to that in a minute. Hey, thanks for clicking on my video. Today we're going to be installing a bed cover. If you're looking at them, then you know you got hard bed covers and soft bed covers. This one's going to be a soft one. I actually got this one from realtruck.com. It's the Gator SFX Tri-Fold cover. I paid $300 for it, so I'm broke now. Hey, thanks for clicking on my video. Hey, what's up? Thanks for clicking on my video. God damn. I suck at this so bad. Hey, what's up? Thanks for clicking on my video. Today, I'm going to be installing a tonneau cover or a bed cover. I just call it a bed cover. I'm going to be putting a bed cover on my Ford F250. So let's get into it. Good? Tell me if you're picking up sound on the mic up top. Check, 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 check. One, check, check. Huh? All right, ready? All right. Okay, here it is. Surprisingly, this thing is actually a lot lighter than I expected. And it's actually got a lot less tape on it than what you might think too. I mean, damn, look, I'm already into it. Look, there it is. So I'm just gonna kind of, actually, let's see if I can just pick this straight up out of here. Yeah, let's get that shit out of the way. All right, cool. Just random pieces of paper. And we got some kind of plastic junk all over it. Let me see, let me get this off real fast. So, as you can see, it was just thrown in a cardboard box. Easy to look, I already got it out. I'm not expecting this to last forever. It's $300 because I'm expecting to have this on my truck for probably 2 years, maybe-ish, maybe 3, I don't know. And then I'll just throw it away and then either get another soft one to last another 2 or 3 years, or just buy a hard one, or maybe not run a bed cover at all. Excuse me. So we'll try this out. Let me see if I can get this thrown on there real quick. I was gonna do more of an unboxing, but it just kind of came straight out of the box. It's already ready to go. It also came with some weather stripping. From other videos that I've seen, this is, I guess if you wanted to add some weather stripping around the whole top, just to, I guess, help it be a little bit more waterproof. I'm not going to be too concerned with that. Nothing I'm putting in the bed of my truck is going to be that important to where I can't let it get a single drop of water on it. Let's see, it says, number 1, place the assembled tonneau cover over the cab end of the truck box. All right. Unfold the tonneau fully and adjust the position over the truck bed for proper cab and tail alignment. Then carefully refold it without shifting its position. All right. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to get this thing up on the truck. Start recording. You started? All right. Okay, let's see. So, okay, let's put this one here, and that one there. All right, so there it is, all finished. That's what it looks like. It's not the prettiest. It's got a couple of spots where it's sticking up. It is what it is, right? If you want one that looks amazing, you're gonna pay an upwards of $1,500 or more. It said that it was only going to take 10 minutes to get installed. Well, it took me like 15. It's got an extra clamp in the back to where, I guess if you didn't have these rails, you could attach that one anyways. I put them both on both sides so that I would have extra security, just in case, you know, so it doesn't fly off while I'm driving down the road or something. These clips here, if you wanted to fold it all the way up, those clips there will just clip into the back so that it could stay, you know, folded up. And then here's how you put it on. It's just a handle. Oh, you just pull it out. Oh, there you go, like that. You put it back. There you go. Oh, okay. Same thing on this side. And then, boom, close it up. It's not 100% waterproof, but it is going to get the bulk of the rain. It's going to keep my stuff, really honestly, it would keep my stuff 100% dry, because the only spots I've seen water come in on other videos is right up against the tailgate. I'm not going to have anything touching this tailgate wall 99.9% of the time. And then I think some water sometimes comes in somewhere around this front here. But anyways, hey, it's 300 bucks. Like I said, it doesn't look the best. If you want one that looks amazing, you're going to spend a lot more money. So boom, this is the one I got. Thanks for watching.